Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Let me take the time out to say Happy Teacher's Day to each and every teacher in the world. You are amazing. You are awesome. Continue to do what you do best. Next, I want to take the time out to express how grateful I am to all my awesome students, teachers, parents, everyone that took the time out to send me messages, to tell me in person Happy Teacher's Day, for the awesome and lovely gifts. And I just want to tell you thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. In today's video, I will be unboxing all of the gifts that I have gotten today. So stay tuned and enjoy. Without any further delay, let's get right into the video. The first thing I will be unboxing today is the food bowl. So that is what I got. What a wonderful way to start off my day. So this is what I got from one of my awesome students. Again, thank you so much. The next thing is a beautiful rose. Can I just tell you that I appreciate this a lot? Thank you so much. Next up is this awesome wine bag. So I got wine and other things in it. I got a nice rose, which is very beautiful. I also got this beautiful bag. Can I tell you how beautiful this is? It says teaching is my superpower. Wow, just amazing. That's the inside view. The bag is super amazing. I just love it so much. I also got a sparkling drink. And I just want to say thank you so much to the person who gave me this. You are amazing. You know yourself. Thank you. Next up is this beautiful gift from an awesome student. It's wrapped in a nice gift wrapping paper, and I just love that. Excuse me for ripping these papers up. I wanted to get this done quickly so I could post it, but I'm so sorry I ripped these papers, but I just had to. So I got a nice beautiful gecko. Can I just say I love this so much? I really do. This is so beautiful. Thank you so much for this gift. Just know that I appreciate it so much. This was such a thoughtful gift. Like, it was truly thoughtful. If you know me, you know that I love the kitchen. I'm a girl that is always in the kitchen, and on some days, let me tell you, a little tea will do well. So I just love this. Thank you. Next up is this beautiful gift. I got this one from an awesome individual. You know yourself, lady. And it's just to say that these are my extreme favorite kind of thing. If you know me, you know that I'm a cake lover. And so, whether it's cheesecake, black forest cake, you name it, I'm there for it. Thank you so much, girl. I got these from an awesome student. Can I just tell you that this student is so thoughtful? Because what more do I want? I can organize my things. And then she got me these lovely bracelets, these lovely girl. You know that, first of all, she's the one who made these, and so that makes it extra special. And then I love bracelets, like it is my kind of thing, so I'm so appreciative of it. And then these folders are good to organize stuff, and they are so beautiful inside out. So I just want to say thank you so much, my awesome students. You are so thoughtful, you are so amazing. Thank you again. I appreciate these so much. The bracelets are a bonus, so thank you. I also got this from a student as well. You are amazing. You know yourself. Thank you so much. You don't know how much I appreciate this. Thank you. I also got this wine. Thank you so much. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you. I got this gift from my lovely, awesome student. Let me just say, when I saw this, I saw money. So that's what came to my mind. I love the wrapping paper. As I've mentioned before, I'm sorry if I ripped these to pieces. I had to because I wanted to finish the video to post it. But I'm telling you, thank you so much. The wrapping paper is so thoughtful, it's so beautiful. This one is a nice wine glass. Let me tell you, I have like 3 wines or 3 drinks that I'm going to be drinking. So this one just came in so handy. I'm telling you, just know that I appreciate this a whole bunch. If you don't know, let me tell you, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Can I just say though, you are so thoughtful. Like, what? Yeah, it's just a perfect thing to get when you have wines to drink. So thank you again there. Just know that I appreciate this a whole lot. This gift is from a lovely student. All of my students are lovely, in case you didn't guess it. So this is from my lovely students. Man, I appreciate this. You wouldn't even begin to imagine what is in this. But stay tuned so you can see. So I just want to say though, thank you so much for being thoughtful. Thank you so much for the present. I truly appreciate it. I also sorry that I ripped this gift wrapping paper into pieces, but I just wanted to get on with the video. So thank you so much again. These are absolutely beautiful, and the fact that they came in different colors makes it even more beautiful. So thank you so much, sweetheart. I truly appreciate these. Yes. I got 6 of these, and just look how beautiful they are. I am so appreciative. I can't even express how appreciative I am. So thank you again, my awesome students. You are lovely. The next gift is from my awesome student. So I just want to say though, you are so thoughtful. Like, this is my favorite color and everything, and the gifts, they are so thoughtful. I got a note as well. I didn't want to show it because I didn't want to reveal who it was, but to be honest, this is very thoughtful, and I just want to tell you that I appreciate this a lot. I will be utilizing these. Yes. So thank you so much, awesome student. I appreciate this a lot. So these are the things that I got in this awesome box. Yeah. Can someone just repeat the word thoughtful? Like, girl, you are so thoughtful. You are amazing. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You are awesome. This gift is from my lovely student. I just want to tell you that you are also thoughtful. You are also amazing. And I just want to tell you thank you. Thank you so much because this is amazing. So I got this one. I didn't want to show the note because I didn't want to reveal who it was. Excuse me for ripping these nicely wrapped gift uh apart, but as I said before earlier, I just wanted to get through with it. But trust me, I want to tell you thanks again, and I want to tell you how much I appreciate this. Yeah, that's about it. If you know me, you know I'm a bracelet fan. Like, I'm a bracelet fan, but if you know me, you know that my favorite color is red. And so that's what I talk about when I say these kids are so thoughtful. My goodness. And I got that awesome key ring and this beautiful mug set. So I didn't want to pull it out yet, but when I turn the back of it, you will see all the things that comes in it. But this is just so beautiful in my favorite color again. Can I just tell you? And it has beautiful words. This is just so amazing. Thank you so much, my dear. I appreciate this a whole lot. This wraps it up for the unboxing of my gifts. I just want to say thank you so much to each and everyone that told me Happy Teacher's Day, who gave me a gift, who writes to me that Happy Teacher's Day, and also some of these gifts add such nice notes, such nice messages, and I just want to say thank you so much again. This is the end of the video. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye.